Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this video tutorial. Today I will teach you how to clone image. I mean how to copy image style, dressing, facing, and the activity, the position in standing, sitting. Yes, everything is looks completely similar, but not only in ChatGPT, but you can clone other image. You can copy the other image from the different way. For example, I have this image one, so I want to create image something that look like similar this image. So the first step is we have two different way of creating image or cloning image with the similar way. All when you found or you see an image from the internet or find one image that looks very good and you think you want to create image like this, so you don't need to write a full prompt on it. So you can save or screenshot this image and then upload it to the website to generate prompt to create similar image. So now I show you the one website that can generate image that looks completely similar. Here is the website that called picart, free image to prompt generator. So you have to save or screenshot the image that you really want to create the similar ones or create the same of the image with completely styles that look like the same. So let's get started. The first, after you save or screenshot someone image that you found on other social media, you have to upload this image here. So you have to click on this and find the source image. So here is the screenshot image. So now I'm gonna choose this one, for example, for you, just like this. Okay, and I copy that. I open that and click on generate free prompt. And waiting for a few seconds to complete prompt generation. After you have this prompt, you can copy it and go to other image generation. For example, the ChatGPT, Gemini, or Google Flow. So you can use one around them. So now I gotta pass this prompt here, just like this, and click on generate. And waiting for a few seconds. And you can also generate from any website source that that have a model can generate image, like Google Flow, like Crooks, or anything else. So you can do this just a similar way. Now, for example, I'm gonna use Crook here. Okay, and click on that, and the image is starting to generate. Just it look like something similar, but are not completely the same 100%. So it also funny guy, but now you can see here, yeah, it look like something that the same idea, but some image is completely not the same 100%. Now I'm going to test with Nano Banana on Google Flow. Just click on here and you can choose the resolution of image. Now I'm gonna choose 1 or 2 and put this prompt here. and then click on continue, and you have to wait, and you have to compare which one is the correct way of generation. You can use an image to upload and let the AI to generate prompt for you. Now I'm gonna take you the next step how you can do this. Here is the Google Gemini. It look like completely not the same 100%, but it's still good. It's still the same idea of creating with the dress. So the second step, you can upload an image more and generate prompt with details to create the image like this. Now you can type or ask anything, generate prompt. Okay, generate prompt with full detail to create this image. You can ask Google or ChatGPT to make the prompt for you by uploading image, and ask them to make the prompt for you to create the image the same. So now we're gonna see here, generate prompt with full detail to create this image. Okay, now I click on continue. Now the prompt is creating for you, and here is the detail, and you can copy that. Okay, you have to copy the full prompt just like this. Okay, select it all. Okay, copy it all. Negative prompt, you don't need to choose that because it is not to work good with that. Okay, now we're going to start with Google Flow first, Nano Bananas. Now, and here is the prompt. You put it like this and click continue or hit enter. Okay, now you have to wait to see the result, what is happening now. Okay, wait few minutes, few seconds more. Okay, now it is start working. It's not completely the same, but it's still good. It's still in copying styles. And now we're going to do with the crook. Now we're gonna pass it here. This one is depend to super crook to generate more. Now we're gonna test with ChatGPT. Now we're gonna delete this. Okay, now click here and click on generate image, and then you have to select the resolution for the story here, and now click on continue. And then you have to wait for the result for any detail that we have prompt here. Okay, wait for that. Waiting. It's waiting here. Faster, faster. Let's do it faster. Okay, let's go. Yes, it is completely a big fat pig here, but it looks still good, but not completely the same with the image we have uploaded before. So you can choose one, just among them. Here is the way that you can clone your image, or the way that you can copying the image styles. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.